Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, violet color, green color, dark blue color, orange color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A for avocado. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kids. L for lotus. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1, O-N-E, 1. Number 2, T-W-O, 2. Number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Number 6, S-I-X, 6. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Number 10, T-E-N, 10. Number 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Number 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. A for avocado. B for birds. C for candy. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kids. L for lotus. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.